Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Clarice Lalin Morlahuat. I am 28 years old from Philippines. I am married and I have son and daughter. My son is 6 years old and my daughter is 3 years old. I have 2 years working experience here in the Philippines as a helper. My duties and responsibilities included feeding, bathing, playing with the child, ages 4 and 5. Make sure the child is safe. While the child is sleeping, I clean the house, wash clothes, and do the other household chores. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money, to support my family, and build a better future. I promise to do myself, respect your family, and take good care of your children. Thank you, mom and sir. I hope to work to your family soon.